Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into a critical issue that's been shaping the political landscape in Zimbabwe. I'm talking about the ongoing electoral dispute involving Nelson Chamisa and the role of the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, in seeking a resolution. In August 2023, Zimbabwe held its elections, and once again, the results were mired in controversy. Nelson Chamisa, a key opposition leader, challenged the legitimacy of the elections, which declared Emmerson Mnangagwa the winner with just over 52% of the votes. Chamisa has been vocal, refusing to recognize Mnangagwa's presidency, calling the elections a gigantic fraud. His persistence isn't new. This has been a consistent stance since the 2018 elections, which were also steeped in disputes. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Amidst this political turmoil, Chamisa has reached out to SADC, a regional body committed to enhancing economic growth and peace in Southern Africa. Just recently, he reminded SADC of his previous complaints concerning the flawed nature of the 2023 elections. This move by Chamisa isn't just a call for attention. It's a plea for democratic integrity, a signal to SADC that the issues at hand are not just about one election or one candidate, but about the broader democratic processes that affect all Zimbabweans. The response from SADC could be pivotal. Historically, SADC has played a significant role in mediating political crises in the region. Their involvement could either pave the way to a more democratic future for Zimbabwe or see the continuation of a deeply entrenched political standoff. So what's next for Zimbabwe? Can SADC facilitate a political dialogue that respects the will of the Zimbabwean people? Or will this cycle of disputed elections and political unrest continue to spin? That's what we'll keep an eye on. The implications of this dispute extend far beyond Zimbabwe's borders, affecting regional stability and the democratic trajectory of Southern Africa. Thanks for tuning in. This is more than just politics. It's about the fight for a democratic future. Stay engaged, stay informed. Until next time.